Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to gain weight in Project Zomboid. To increase your character's weight, you need to eat more calories than you burn. Project Zomboid tracks hunger and metabolism, so regularly eating high-calorie foods like canned goods, meat, and carbs will add calories that contribute to weight gain over time. Another key factor is your activity level. Avoid running long distances, repeated combat, or strenuous tasks like chopping trees or hauling heavy loads, since these activities burn extra calories and can prevent weight gain or even cause weight loss. Players recommend keeping your character very well fed, where you could always see the green modal on the upper right side of your screen. If it goes away, eat a full load again or more until it reappears. Cooked rabbit and fish are also said to be the best foods for gaining weight. Finally, monitor your character's weight indicator in the health panel. As your calorie surplus builds over time, the game will slowly increase your weight. Keep eating regularly and avoid excessive exercise to maintain that calorie surplus and gain weight consistently. And that's how you gain weight in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.